Your brooder might look good, but is it really safe? Because many farmers make the simple mistake that I'm about to share with you. I'm choosing the rank from Farfest Academy. Oh yeah, let's go into my brooder. You need to have a form of a heat in your brooder in order to regulate the temperature when the weather gets cold. Like you see, I have my 200 watts bulb, and I also have my charcoal pots in case there is no electricity. And another thing is your brooder should be spacious enough. Don't use a small space for your beds to avoid overcrowding. Because when they are because when they are overcrowded, it leads to heat stress, and heat stress leads to high mortality. Next thing is your drinker should be this in size like 2 liters, so that they can have easy access to it, and the feeder should be this. You can use any other one after like 4 days. You can see that they have easy access to it, and the drinker should be shallow, so they will not get drowned in it. And make sure that your brooder is predator free and there is no water leakage. And you need to keep your brooder dry and clean. Like for me, I normally change the liters after 7 days. After the first 7 days, I'll change the carton. Then you need to use a very good bedding. Normally, I would advise you to use a carton, because if you use dust, they are still tender. They don't even know the one that is their feed or not. They will be picking everything, which is very bad. Most times it leads to stunted growth. So I would advise you to use I would advise you to use either carton or newspaper, not magazine, or carton, not any slippery material. There should be light always. Like you see, when the night comes, I will on these rechargeable flashlights. There should be ventilation, no, not because they say they heat up your brooder. You will not make a space for them to receive the fresh air. You can see that they have enough space where they can run around, eat, have fun, sleep. Having a perfect brooder is just the starting point. You need to know when to feed your broilers to get them to 3 kg in 6 weeks. And if you need to know how to feed your broilers to get them to 3 kg, this a playlist is just for you.